Salamat! So, hello guys, welcome to my vlog. This is me, Sophia. With Mark. So, let's see. Ano natin dito. Oh. Try ko, be. Try ko, be. Open natin yung backpack. Kita yung piwit niya. Hindi, ano yan? Di ko nyo. So, kay ate ito. Mamaya nga. Bot mo. So, guys, tignan natin. Flying ice cream. What's this? This open. This where. Ooh. This open. Thank you. Tingnan nyo. Tingnan nyo pala yung cone, guys. Talag na lang. Wow, nice. So, sino kaya yung bibili? Ako, te. How about nails? So, I need some lemon. Oh, that's cute. Whee! That's not nice. There we go, your yummy ice cream.